Hi!
Hi!
It's Jamie from Play in the Park and Dora from the library.
Yay!
And we're here for another great STEM story time. Science, technology, engineering and maths. And this is part of our fairy tale series. It's the Three Little Pigs.
Oh, should we start off with a song though?
Great idea.
Okay.
What song are we going to sing?
Jack's gonna sing us a song. Oh yeah! It's called Jack Taps with One Block.
Awesome! That sounds like a fun one. You can pretend you've got a block too. Ready?
Here we go. Jack taps with one block, one block, one block. Jack taps with one block, then he taps with two. But wait on. We might use sticks this time. Grab some sticks, Jack.
Jack taps with two sticks, two sticks, two sticks. Jack taps with two sticks, then he taps with three. What three things can we use now?
Use your straws, Dora.
Good idea. Here we go. Here's some straws. Anna can use the straws. Are you ready, Anna? Here we go. Anna taps with three straws, three straws, three straws. Anna taps with three straws. Then it's time for a story. Great.
Yay! Oh, we better clean away this stuff.
So these are some of the things we're going to find in our story today for the little pigs that get to make some houses. We have found some straws to build a house with.
And you can use blue tack to join the straws together.
Yeah, the blue tack's good for sticks and pop sticks and pencils as well.
And you can use sticks to make a house of sticks. In the story, I used lucky bands and sticks to make the house of sticks. But you could also use pop sticks or anything you can find, really. And we also had a house made of bricks, Lego bricks. They're great for building houses. So you could make all of the houses from our story at your house. Right, so once upon a time...
Yes, there were some little pigs. Can you see our little pigs here? We've got a little pig over here and a little pig there.
I'm a little pig too. And Dora, I'm really excited about being a pig. Do you see my pig nose?
Yeah, that's so cool. Do you like my pig nose, Jack?
Oh, that's a great nose.
Thanks. I love dressing up for plays. This is my egg carton piggy nose.
And what about Little Bear?
Yeah, mine's really cute too.
Okay, so this story starts with the three little pigs.
Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. Should we play some cards? Or Duplo? Oh, I know.
Living
Let's run around.
at their mum's house.
Oh, there's Mum.
Hello, my little pigs.
Hello, Mum.
Oh, hi, Mum. I've got some news to tell you. Yes, our house is getting a little bit squishy, a little bit tight, because you've all grown quite into big pigs. Yes, unfortunately, even though I do love you all, now that you're grown up and big pigs, you have to go out into the world, and it's time to find your own way and, get up to whatever you want to.
Do we have to build some houses?
Well, that would be a good idea, wouldn't it?
Cool.
Oh, wow, my very own house. Awesome. All right, bye, Mum.
Bye. Mwah. Love you, Mum. Bye.
Bye. See you
Bye.
at Christmas time.
Okay, bye.
Because pigs are very popular at Christmas time.
Bye.
Oh, and so, off the pigs went, la 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 la, to find their own way in the world. And the first little piggy, was named Jack. And he made a special house out of straw. First, he met a man that was carrying some straw and said, can I buy some of your straw to build a house? And the man said, sure. And And so he built a beautiful house out of straw.
Whoa, Jack, that's a really cool house.
Oh yeah, it's pretty good. I whipped it up in like an hour.
Yeah. A bit wobbly.
Oh, whoops. No, it's great. It's great. As long as it doesn't rain, it'll be fine. I'm going in my house.
All right, well, we're going to keep going. Bye, Jack. And off they went. And the next little pig came across a carpenter who was carrying some wood and sticks. And he thought, I think I would like to use some wood and sticks to build my house. Could I buy your wood and sticks, please, Mr. Carpenter? Oh, great. Here we go. Let's whip up a house full of sticks. This'll be great. Okay, well, I'm going to keep going and see if I can find something else to build my house. Bye. Cool. Hop into your little house over here, little pig. Great. Okay. Hop, 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 hop. Oh, there's a builder. Oh, and they're carrying some bricks. Oh, maybe I could use some bricks for my house. Do you think bricks would be a good idea? Yeah, me too. I think it's a great idea. Okay, let's get some bricks to build a house. Excuse me, Miss Builder, could I buy some of your bricks to build my house, please? Oh, great. Excellent. Bring them over. Thanks. And ta-da. Oh, do you like my house? I've spent ages building this house. It's even got a chimney and a cool little front door. Pretty happy with it. And all the little pigs settled into their houses.
And everything was going fine until one day along came the big bad wolf.
Oh no!
Not the big bad wolf!
He's a bit of a troublemaker.
I'm the big bad wolf. Yeah, I'm looking for some piggies to eat for my dinner. And he went along the road and all the way until he came to where the first little pig was with his house of straw. And he said, little pig, let me in.
Can you remember that's what the wolf said? Should we say it together? Ready?
Okay.
Little pig, let me come in.
And the little pig said, not by the hair of my chinny chin chin, I will not let you in. So the big bad wolf said, I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down. Can you do a big breath with me? And the house blew completely down, and the big bad wolf chased the first little pig. He's after me!
Quick, come and hide in my house!
Oh no!
Come and hide in my house
And
full of
he
sticks.
ran and hid with his brother in the house of sticks. And everything was fine until along came the big bad wolf again.
Oh no, he's caught up to us.
Oh, I'm so hungry. Oh, there's some little piggies in this house of sticks.
I wonder if my house of sticks will hold up to the big bad wolf. I hope so.
And the big bad wolf said, little pig, let me come in.
No way! Stay out! We won't let you in!
And the little pig said, not by the hair of my chinny chin chin, I will not let you in. And so the big bad wolf said, can you help me huff and puff again? Take a deep breath. I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in.
No! Oh no! Our house blew down! My house blew down! Quick! Let's run to Big Brother's house!
Piggies for lunch! Yum! Yum! They're in that house of bricks. Oh. And
I think we'll be safe in here. I've spent a really good time building my house full of bricks. I think it'll stand up to the wrath of the wolf. I don't think he'll be able to blow this one down. It's all right, guys. Hang on.
And everything was fine until
Oink, oink.
the big bad wolf came along again.
Oh no, he's coming. It's okay, everyone. It's okay.
I'm the big bad wolf. Oh, I spy some more little piggies. Ha ha! I'm so hungry. All right, little pig, let me in.
No way! You're not coming into my house.
And the little pig said, "Not by the hair on my chinny chin chin. I will not let you in." So the big bad wolf said, "Oh, I'm gonna huff and puff and blow your house in."
No, you won't.
Kids, can you help me blow again? Take a deep breath.
Our house is really tough. See? Keep trying, you silly old wolf.
Oh, I'm so tired. Oh, I can't blow the house down.
Oh, good house
It's
building.
too strong, made of bricks. Oh, I'll have to have a little sleep and think of what I can do. Oh, I know. I thought of it, said the big bad wolf.
What's he gonna do?
I'm gonna climb up onto the roof and go down the chimney. Will that work?
Oh, he's such a sneaky wolf. Did you hear that? He's gonna try and come down the chimney. Oh, I know. Let's get the big pot of water, boiling water, and put it under the chimney, and then he'll fall into the big pot of water. Good idea. Okay.
And so the wolf climbed up onto the roof and down the chimney.
Splash!
And he landed in the boiling hot water. Ow! Oh! Oh! Ow! 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 Ow!
And
Ow!
burn his tail.
Oh! And he was never seen again. So he didn't trouble the three little pigs anymore. Oh, and that night, the little piggies sat down for dinner in the really strong house of bricks. Oh, yum, this is a yummy dinner. Oh, what is it?
It's very tasty.
Oh, yeah, I think it's vegetarian. Oh, very good. Oh. Oh.
Oink, oink.
And that's
Oink,
the
oink.
end of our story. Thanks.
Great story. We hope you enjoyed that one. Maybe you could build some little houses and do a little play at your house with the three little pigs using some of your favourite teddies.